Hello everybody, it's Caliber 3000 here, Diamond Key Cuts. Welcome back. Okay, so yeah, today is cat day. So, which one is it? Me and Ella are having a YouTube war right now, and I think there's this guy called catlover 3000 number 2 who's in on it. catlover 3000 space, wait. catlover space 3000 space number 2 is helping me, and it's not me, of course, somebody else. So yeah, I don't know who that person is, but good job. So, which one will it be? Ella, truce, or war? She said, wow, I have 7 subscribers. So funny. To get more subscribers, here you go, cool. I'll eat 1 piece of catnip, just like Cameron did. It's gonna taste good. It's gonna taste good. See this? See it? Okay. Yeah. I'll eat 1 piece of catnip. You gotta subscribe to me. I dare you, Ella, to eat 1 piece of your hamster food. I dare you. That because why you like you champ? So yeah, truce or war? Put it in the comments below. Last comments that you try to start a war with me on. I'm only talking this about Ella, but all of you guys will comment to me. Truce or war? Understand? Yeah. If Ella actually picks war, this will be her. Hi, I'm Ella. How was your day? Yeah, the scissors are me, of course. Oh my god, I still taste the catnip. So yeah, I already have 20 subscribers, more I thought I would get. Unlike catlover 3000, I got on Cody Hildebrand, I only got 2 subscribers and like 40, 50 something videos. Now I changed. It's all in the wild key cuts. All in the wildcats. Not the erosion wildcats, just the cat club that I made up. When I paused the video, I had to spit out some puke. I'm gonna get a drink of my Dr. Pepper. Yeah. So yeah. If it's war, well, y'all know who would win. The black man. Win! Hold key cut. I kick it! With the key cuts. Kick it! Come here! We need to take out that eye booger first. Okay. This is also care for your cat. You look, key cut. You look inside of their ear. See if there's anything inside of it. You Google. So yeah. If we do have war, this is the truth here. I'm trying to do the Far Cry Primal thing. Shh. The bird is around Kikit. The Kikit move. Oh yeah, did you guys know that a cat can run up to 38 miles per hour? That is faster than a wolf. Yeah, Bastion, get wrecked. It's faster than a wolf. Oh. Give me a hug. Icky kid. Yeah, we'll go. Whoever gives you catnip rules. It's me. So yeah, Ella's channel sucks ball. Well, she sucks. Yeah. So our YouTube channel sucks. Key cuts. Is the queen of the jungle, I guess. Because cats also have more power than a tiger. They're better hunters than a tiger. They don't hunt big things though. But they hunt. They have a more hit rate of tigers. So a cat would be like, yeah, I have a 9% hit rate. Tiger would be like, I only have a 6% hit rate. Screw you. And Kitty would be like, shut up. Don't talk to me. These niggers think they can be a monopoly. Ooh, shut up. So yeah. They will get your attention.